The number beside these three icons indicates the number of active fire alarms, faults, and conditions. You don't need to log into the panel menu to check the active events. This means that any user, including public user without entering a password, can check the active events. As only 2 events can be displayed, you need to go to the Show Events menu to view the others. To check the active fire alarms, faults, and conditions, press F1 to check additional information. In this case, turning the jog dial clockwise or anti-clockwise, I need to select faults, and press the jog dial to see all the active faults. Turning the jog dial clockwise or anti-clockwise, you can check the events. Press F2 to exit from the menu.